Today is June 10, 2013. Let's take a look at the market. Today, the market is kind of chopped around a little bit. And if we take a look at the S&P 500 on the 30-minute chart here, you can see, on the first 30-minute, it kind of made its high. And the high is actually near the resistance that I have identified on the post that I put up last Saturday. And we're going to take a look at that a little bit later. At the 1648.69 over here, and you can see it's kind of chopped around and sort of a stabilized and close at the a little bit of negative here, like almost unchanged. It's only down about 57 cents. And take a look at the data here. And before we do that, let's go to the blog here. Oh, by the way, if you did not go to my blog and take a look at the video that I put up late last night on Apple and Lulu, you might want to go there and take a look at that. So let's go to this post here, the market bounce back. That was the post that I put on June the 8th here, which is the Saturday. And I put up a couple chart here. First is the S&P 500. As I see, I put down here, there's the possible resistance at 1649. And essentially today, it pretty much hit that, or got near that resistance here. It got, like I said earlier, the 1648.69. And tomorrow will be a tell to see will it be able to move above this resistance and possibly come up and work itself into possibility of making a newer high in the coming day or in a week or so. But if it cannot get above this 1649 and start retracing back down here, then most likely this market, the S&P 500, could come down and retest this 1598. And if it failed that, then we'd be basically looking at to come down to somewhere around this 1530, 1532 area here. And then eventually it probably work itself down to this 200-day moving average under the beneath the 1500. But we'll just have to wait and see what tomorrow brings and see how it react on the price action tomorrow. And if we take a look at the Dow Jones Industrial, and again the Dow Jones Industrial came up near the resistance, and we're talking about the resistance somewhere around the 15,300. And today the high is actually 15,300.6, so it's got pretty close to the 15,300 resistance they kind of identify in the Saturday posting. And right now, again, just like the S&P 500, we essentially need to see all these markets continue to follow through and take out the resistance. If you can't take out the resistance and that's retracing back, then the chances are we'll come back and watch the market retest the previous support, that Thursday low, essentially is this 14,830 something. So, and then we take a look at the NASDAQ 100. The NASDAQ 100 again, kind of got through the resistance a little bit, but it couldn't close at the or above the resistance. If we go back and take a look at the blog post there, and to look at that chart here on the NASDAQ 100, the daily chart, which is this here, you can see, we're basically looking at this resistance level somewhere around 29.99 to 3,000. And today it actually hit the high of 3,004 and 67 cents, but it closed at 2990.49. So again, it's all come up to that critical resistance level. Same thing with the Russell 2000. The Russell 2000 still a few points from the resistance level that we identified somewhere around the 995 area. Today the high is 992.69. So there might be a couple more points for it to move up and see could it take out that resistance. If it can't, then chances are we'll see it to maybe come back and retrace this and retest this 954. So essentially that's the market today. It's kind of a little choppy, a little undecisive, although we got a little bounce but not much of a follow through. So that should put a lot of the market participant kind of at a little bit of a confusion state, I would say. Don't know to should they be bullish or bearish. So we'll just have to wait, see what the market will bring tomorrow. So good luck.